Okay, did I show you that being put in? I think I did. Anyway, the Zara Home mirror came. That needs to go up on the wall. And there's actually, I don't know if you saw those packages, but they're also Zara Home stuff. It was the same order, just came in a different day. I've showered, fed myself, and showered pre-doing this, by the way, because I went to the gym last night and kind of just rinsed and went to bed because I was exhausted. I actually didn't get home till about 10. So, aim today is to try and paint this hallway. It doesn't look as yellow in the camera, but it's definitely yellow. I'm gonna start on this wall here that has no obstructions and then try and work my way around and see how far we get. Got some frog tape, got some paintbrushes, big one and then a nice angled one. A roller, my tray that I've covered in a bag. I don't have to clean it out. A big roller stand so I can go up the wall as high as possible. And then I use an old bed sheet as floor cover and dust covers. And the paint, which is Brilliant White by Dulux, which is what we've basically done in the whole of downstairs, which we'll be taking upstairs eventually along the stairs. So I just want to get started. To be honest, it's already almost 11 o'clock and I need to get going because I've been sitting there on my phone editing a video. So let's do this. We shall be on the dream. Oh, I don't think I've got the correct roller. That's rather annoying. Yeah, this roller does not attach to this thing. So out back to see if there's any more. If not, I guess I'm painting by hand. Oh no. I was literally about to get up and go to the hardware store. I figured out you could pop this end bit out. So let's see. It still doesn't really fit on there. This is not a great start. Okay, I've got the goods. Mommy's painting again. I wish you could see what he's doing. Let's keep the camera down here and at his angle. It already look whiter. It still does look yellow, but after a few coats it's gonna look good. As you can see, I'm sweating. Okay, quick little update as I have my skin looks quite nice. I've been going to the steam room recently. I've just taken a little break and I'm about to get back on it. Oh, you can see it already looks so much better. So this was the colour before. This is the colour now. And you can already tell from the lighting in here that... Are we in focus? Oh. Looks like I'm getting a spot there, that's great. It's now the next day and progress in here. Oh, it's quite dark. But I did about 3 coats everywhere. I need to do some touch-ups here and around here where I only did like 1 or 2. But I think it's looking good. I'm not sure I actually need, that's just like light. Let's turn this on. There we go. So yeah, I can do with some touch-ups in here and maybe a bit more in here as well. But there's a thing going, the board here. This thing lives there. So that's fine, and also it covers up this, which is great. But yeah, I don't think there's that much more. So I'm just gonna do the last bits of touch-ups, and I've painted, and then I've stopped there. So you can see the colour difference really badly there. I will get to the stairs and do all of that, but I have to, like, because I've already painted the stairs, I have to tape up every stair, which I haven't taped. I was kind of free-falling it as I was doing it here. And then I need to terps the floor, because I did manage to get paint everywhere, which just looks a bit of a mess as well. So I'm gonna get to doing that, which I don't think you guys need to see because it's not that interesting. And I'll update you when I'm finished.
Yeah, wow, the things that sort of does to you emotionally and psychologically. And that it's a people that got on board for the release of my first album and followed my music and me as an artist. Some of them came for the second album. Some of them, I guess, kind of went, oh, it's not the same thing, so I'll just sort of come back when maybe it's... I can't sort of speak for people, but my expectation, naively, was that I could do the same thing again by surprising people with something they hadn't had before, because they hadn't had my debut album before. And
just move the order of things. You know what I'm going to say, right? You could just move the order of things. Would you...
all that list of artists and more, I love that music. And I don't know that resonated in the same way with all the fans of the first album. It certainly did with some of them. Maybe it didn't so much with others. I can't control any of that. The only thing I can control is what I create. And that I do, there is so much part of what I create that I do for myself, which I think is the same for every artist. So I chose to do that. So you see what I'm saying? In ways it was a reaction to something I needed to do as a reaction to how my first album.
We're confident about that.
Yeah.
When was your first sort of introduction to that?
Good question. Because it, of course, has become so talked about in the last 5 years. It's suddenly become more okay than ever to speak openly about.
When I asked that question, I mean,
Nice.
at one point thinking, so the timeline of my range of mental health is people with mental health. At one point, maybe 10, 15 years ago when I was younger, I thought it meant that you were crazy. And then as I experienced things myself, and then there was